For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and I'd like to take a look at this morning's Fast Ball XRV Premium Trading Plan trades. First one on the list was CRZO, CRZO Oil and Gas. This one opened way up in the range, about 50% of the distance to the target, came down, got through the criteria price, so down below the high of the prior session, came back up through. This triggered us in, never came anywhere near the 23.23 stop that we had on that first entry. Made the move 50% of the distance to the profit target, has never come back down and touched that 23.84 line. That's where I have got a reversal exit set up, and it looks like we are coming up on the 24.71 profit objective on CRZO. Let's see how this one plays out over the rest of the session. My guess is we are going to see a move up to the pivot where we've got our target. In the case that it doesn't, I'm going to pull the stop up to $24.34. Next on the list this morning, DISH, Dish Network Corporation. I had a stop at $30.95, if you're keeping score of where those stops are. My entry was down at a violation of $29.71. Stock got down to that $28.98, 50% to profit objective. We moved our stop to break even, and Dish promptly turned around and took me out at the entry price with about a 9-cent slip. So did have a little bit of slippage on the exit on that one, since break even was really a bit lower than the low of the prior session. Low of the prior session was really where I had the exit order placed. So a little bit of a difference between where we actually got filled and where we got taken out, but nothing to worry about. Played it by the book. Good trade. Just wound up being a tiny loss on the session. Next up, we had Dominion Energy, ticker symbol D. This one had a stop loss up at $63.76. That took into account this big sweeping move down into the close yesterday, the support and resistance up here. And of course, we had a $62.99 entry trigger on this, or activation price. Fill down around $62.91, and then a move straight down to the profit target at $62.42. Tried to catch an extension. We were working on this in the room. We had those oil and gas inventory numbers come out. They got us a little bit of a push down below. As soon as we got down below the profit objective, we went and trailed a stop up above there, $62.45, as you'll recall. And of course, we were taken out of the trade for a profit of actually 52 cents per share traded. Next up, we had Henry Schein Incorporated, ticker symbol HSIC. You'll recall this triggered us in right off the open. We got a great fill on this right there at $70.85, just below the validation price for the trade to go live. It moved down 50% of the distance to the profit target, and we were well on the way down to that green pivot line at $69.50 when we had an alert saying that there was an analyst upgrade on HSIC looking for a price of $100 or something. So that's interesting. We get an analyst upgrade while the stock is in a massive collapse. That doesn't sound like any kind of funny business to me, right? But nevertheless, at that point, we had been down through the $1 profit objective that we had set on it, and I thought we were on our way to the pivot line. When the news came out, wound up getting out on the reversal move back up to the profit objective, and $1 per share on HSIC. And finally, my least favorite trade of the day, Thor Industries Incorporated, ticker symbol THO. This one triggered me in right off the opening bell, $97.62 on the fill. Came down, reversed, and just plowed higher. The spreads were pretty wide on this one, and it was picking up the ask the entire time on the way up. Got me out at $98.47, slippage on the exit as well. So all in, I was down about 80 cents per share on Thor. It's still a decent day so far overall for the XRV trading plan, and I'm going to continue watching Thor just to see if we don't get a second entry opportunity down on a violation of that $97.72 price. And you better bet I'm going to be watching $97.55 to see if there's an inflection there that bounces the stock higher, or if this time around we can maybe get a measured move to the downside that replicates what we see right here and hopefully undoes what happened to me right here. So there you have it. That's the wrap on the Fast Ball XRV setups. I did not trade the Baltimore chops this morning just because I had so much going on with these trades that I was having a hard time focusing on those. So I don't know exactly where the opportunities were on those, but I'm going to make sure to tune in tomorrow and see if I can't get in front of some of those opportunities as well. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.